We're rolling. Awesome. Brittany, go stand beside him. Right now. Get in there. Stand beside him. Brittany's getting a balloon made for clackamas. This guy works for the kids at Clackamas Towncenter. Come see him. How long have you been doing this?
10 years.
10 years? Really?
Weekends, yeah.
Right on. You come down here every day?
2 or 3 days a week.
Please go get the fire.
Thursday and Saturday right now. How much change? Wednesday. I ain't here for security with the camera.
What's that?
What do you think?
I ain't here for security with the camera on. It's just for security.
Oh yeah.
Maybe.
Oh, let's see. Hold it up, honey. Oh, how cute. Thank you.
Yeah.